today I am going to Tesla Taipei, and then I'm going to meet up with the Tesla Club members. And Join is picking me up in his Model X again.
Hi,
Hi,
Michael.
This is Michael.
Hi,
sorry, I was running late. I was having lunch with my family. Since my dad and I are going back to the States tomorrow.
Oh, yes.
And my brother just moved to a new place, so I went to see his new place.
Oh, awesome.
Sorry.
How was it?
It was really good, but I'm so full. So thank you so much for picking me up, Join.
Hello.
Hello. And it's so good to see Michael again.
Yeah, it's been over a year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
A year and a few months.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're going over to, this is a Tesla center. Is it a headquarter in Taiwan?
Yeah.
So
it's in Neihu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a very special treat, and we'll see you when we get there. We're here at the Taipei, or the Taiwan headquarters of Tesla. This is the showroom right here, and this is a row of superchargers, and they have service and maintenance back there. This building back here. So we're going to go take a look, and some of people will be meeting up with us here before we go to dinner. So this is Michael from Tesla Owners Taiwan, the club president. And this is Join.
Hi.
And he put on an event on December 12th to go to a racetrack.
Yeah.
How many cars were there?
143
Teslas went on the racetrack. Yeah. So it was a really big event. And then Michael, you mentioned a couple of years ago you had a huge Model X dance event.
Yes.
Is it over there in that parking lot?
In that parking lot.
Over there. Yeah, so there are a lot of activities at the Tesla Club in Taiwan. How many members do you have now?
We have 2,700 VIN numbers. So maybe double that.
Yeah.
For membership numbers. So
wow.
Close to 5,000.
That's wonderful. Yeah. So you guys started about 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's really growing.
Yeah.
And also this year when I came to Taiwan, I've seen so many Model 3s running around. Compared to last year when I came, I only saw one Model X. But this time I saw a Model S, several Model X's, and a lot of Model 3s. So it's really great to see the growth of Tesla here in Taiwan.
Yeah. We still need the Model Y though. So
yes,
Elon,
that's
if you're
my
watching this, please give us the Model Y.
Please, my brother's also asking. He's waiting for the Model Y as well. It's starting to rain, so maybe we'll go inside.
Let's go inside.
Yeah, let's go inside. So this is the Tesla showroom in Taipei, and this is the biggest one here in Taiwan. We found a brand new Model 3, so let's go take a look. It's Chrome Delete. These are all Chrome Delete. Also, with the new interior. So this is like the Model S, and the cup holders here, and then the wireless charging pads right here. So yep, this is a brand new one. Wait, let me see. There's also a little space down there. And this is all still the same. This part is all the same. This is a brand new Model 3. It has the power trunk. My dream come true. They finally have it. So nice. Okay, so I'm meeting up with some of the owners here. This is Gu Ge. He is the first Tesla owner in Taiwan. He started owning Tesla since January of 2017, so almost 4 years.
Yeah.
And you've had 4 Teslas. You started with
The first one is Model S.
Model S,
90D.
Yep. 90B,
P90D.
P90D, okay,
The second one is Model X 100D.
100D.
The third one is Model 3 Performance.
Mm-hmm.
And this one is the second Model X
Second
Performance.
Model X Performance.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you upgraded from the other Model
Model
X
X, yes.
because it was not performance to a performance
Yes.
one. Do you still have the Model 3?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now, right now, I only have the Model 3 Performance
And the Model X.
Performance,
Okay.
yeah.
So who drives the Model 3?
Only me.
Only you. Which one do you like better?
They all performance very well. Just different kind of I call it personality.
Okay, okay.
Model 3 is more how to say 非常灵巧
More agile.
more agile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Model X is more the capacity and very for the passenger
Mhm.
use the space.
Yeah. 比较舒服, more
对，比较舒服
comfortable.
more comfortable.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. Very nice. Well, it's very nice to meet
Yeah,
you
me too.
finally.
Yeah, me
so
too.
we'll go get some dinner soon.
Yeah.
He's supercharging right
Yeah,
now.
Nice to meet you guys.
I have another Tesla Model 3 owner here. We have been conversing on Twitter for a while. So, what's your name? 你叫什么名字？
my name is 叶成斌。
叶成斌. And you got a Model 3. 你什么时候买的？
去年9月，
Okay, so he got his Model 3 in September of 2019.
台湾第一笔。
So the first batch of the Model 3 in Taiwan he bought. So it's been about a year. 差不多1年了，1年多。对，那你是dual motor 还是 standard range?
我是那个 standard
Okay, so it's a standard range plus.
standard 吧。
Standard range plus, yeah. 那你最喜欢的车子的特色是什么？ So what I'm asking him what he likes the most about the car.
Autopilot。
Autopilot.
Powerful。
Powerful, yeah.
OTA。
OTA, yes.
那自然。
Yeah, that's great. That's great. It's so very nice to meet you finally.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me
Thank you,
interview
thank you.
you. And it's a very beautiful car. It's a blue color. It's my favorite color actually of the Tesla. And you got tinted windows. 你有车子有去这样子弄黑这样。
它的隔热纸。
对对。And then carbon fiber. Very fancy. 你还有没有做什么改变的？
那19寸的。
Oh, yeah.
Performance
So this is the performance 19-inch performance wheel. It's different from the one in US. So the ones in US, it's different.
对。
Yeah. 还有什么改的吗？
No.
No, that's it. Okay, that's good.
对。我的 SpaceX。
Wait. This is cool. SpaceX. 太好了。Yeah, it's always fun to see what mods people are doing to their cars. So yeah, it's a very good looking car. Very nice. So we're about to go have dinner, and this is a Tesla meetup. Tesla meetup. 来转一圈，来转一圈。This is what we're feasting on. Check this out. Seafood, hot pot with beautiful meat. bunch of little dishes. Yeah, I gained a lot of weight when I come to Taiwan. Non-stop eating like this with all the Tesla friends. 来，招招手，招招手 ，say hello, say hello, 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 hello. Pretty jealous, huh? Bye. We're having so much fun. I am back at my hotel and I'm tired because we had so much fun. We were there for about 4 hours dinner, and it was so great seeing everyone, meeting new people, talking about Tesla and getting to know one another, cracking jokes. So it was a wonderful time. I was not able to film much inside the Tesla showroom. Number one, because they don't really allow people to film inside, and number two is also because it's the end of the month and end of the year. They're very busy trying to push the sales numbers. So when we were there were a lot of people in the showroom checking out the new cars. So that was really great to see. Also, last year, I think it was March of 2019 when I came the last time, I only saw one Tesla, a Model X. But now this time, December 2020, there are so many Teslas running around in Taipei, and mostly Model 3. So I did talk with the salespeople at Tesla off camera. They confirmed that once the Model 3 started coming into Taiwan, it became popular. So I spotted so many Model 3s. Even when I went to a different town, a different city in the mountains, I saw a white performance Model 3. So Tesla is definitely gaining popularity here in Taiwan. I also asked about where do they get the Teslas, if they're importing this from the new China factory or if they're still getting it from the Fremont factory. To my surprise, they are getting their cars from Fremont, all the way from California, instead of from China, which is much closer. And the reason is because of the political situation. If you're not familiar with the political tension between China and Taiwan, look it up online. It's a very complicated situation. And also because Taiwan, according to Tesla person that I talked to, Taiwan does not allow import, especially of EVs from China. So right now, all of their Model S, Model X, Model 3s are from Fremont. They're made in Fremont and they're imported from Fremont. Same thing with Model Y. They don't have the Model Y yet, and they don't really know when they're going to have Model Y. But when they do have the Model Y, it will most likely still be made in Fremont and imported from California instead of from China. So this wraps up my experience and my visit of the Taiwan Tesla headquarters in Neihu, and also my gathering with the Taiwan Tesla Owners Club, getting to know more people. If you're interested in checking out my other Tesla related videos, please go ahead and browse my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time, and God bless you.